Hello everybody, welcome to the Parallel X Academia, and I'm here Mohammad Sabir Rahman Akash with you as usual. So we'll be talking about a system, a linear system with no solutions. As you see, this is the day 7, and we're here with the Maths 100 Day Challenge. There is the Maths 100 Day Challenge. Alright, let's get started. And this is the day 7. Today is the day 7 and we are here with another example, that is a linear system with no solution. It is linear system with no solutions. Okay, now let's go. So we have here two equations that makes a system, linear system, that is x plus y equals to 4 and 3x plus 3y equals to 6. Alright? Now, as you can see that these two equations are quite similar, okay? Here is x, here is 3x, here is y, and here is 3y. So this is a multiple of 3, you can say that. But here is 4, but here is 6. So we can eliminate x from the second equation by adding minus 3 times the first equation to the second equation. This results the simplified equation. Okay, so what will we do? We just minus 3 into 1. Okay, what will we get here? Minus 3x minus 3y equals to minus 12. Okay, and we have here plus 3x plus 3y equals to 6. It will give us this is being eliminated by them, and we have here minus 6 and it is 0. So 0 is not equals to minus 6. The second equation is contradictory, isn't it? So the given system has no solution. So we can say that this given system has no solution because 0 is never equals to minus 6. That's the case here. So this system has no solution. Geometrically, this means that the lines corresponding to the equation in the original system are parallel and distinct. When said that these two lines, these two equations, which represents a line, and these two are what? These two are parallel to each other, and